Hey travelers, planning a trip to Vietnam and not sure how to get your visa online? Don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to apply for your Vietnam e-visa using the official immigration website. It's fast, straightforward, and you can do it on your own. Make sure to watch till the end. I'll also share few tips to avoid common mistake. Let's get started. Head over to the official Vietnam immigration website. The link is in the description below. Once you are on the home page, look for the Apply Now button. Click on that to begin your application. You will be taken to a page with terms and conditions. Scroll all the way down, check all the boxes, and then click Next to continue. Now it's time to upload two important files. Number 1, your passport size photo, and number 2, scan of your first page of the passport. Make sure both files are clear, recent, and meet the size and format requirement listed on the page below. Once both are uploaded successfully, let's move to add your personal details. Some of your info may get autofilled from your passport scan, but still double check everything before proceeding ahead. Now start filling your details like your date of birth, nationality, email address, religion, place of birth, and others. Make sure your email is accurate because that's where your visa confirmation will be sent. Also, if you will check box this agree to create account by email, you will get auto login to immigration site and then you can track your application easily. Now scroll down to answer few simple yes and no questions that are mostly about your travel history. Now you have to choose your visa type, if it's single or multiple entries, and what is your intended entry date and exit date. Also, you have to provide passport information like passport number, issuing authority, issue date, expiry date, etc. Moving to the next step, here you have to update your contact details, which include your current address, phone number, and emergency contact name and relationship along with their address. This helps immigrations to get in touch if needed. Next is the section for occupation detail, which is not mandatory, so you can ignore. After that, you have to update few trip specific information which is mandatory, like purpose of your travel, whether it's for tourism or business or you want to meet someone. And apart from that, you have to mention your entry and exit points as well, and the address where you will be staying first as you will land in Vietnam. Then there are few more yes and no questions, mostly about your previous travels and everything. Then there are few additional sections for the details like any child who is traveling with you on the trip, or any trip expenses or optional travel insurance. All these sections can be skipped because these are not mandatory. Now accept the declaration and click on next. As soon as you'll click on next, you'll get all the information you have filled to review. Please review the information properly because anything which is not matching as mentioned in your passport can cause rejection on your visa. Once you are ready, it will give you a pop-up for declaration completed. On confirming it, will take you to payment page with visa fee of around 25 USD or 2200 INR, depending upon the type of visa you have requested. From this, the payment is made securely online. And you are done. That is it. Your application is submitted. You will get an email confirmation instantly, and the visa is typically processed within 3 to 4 working days. Now, Few quick tips before you go. Apply at least 15 days prior to your trip. Use official website only. Don't fall for third-party scam sites. And then make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months from your entry date. If you found the video helpful, give it a like, share it with your fellow travelers, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel guides just like this one. Safe travels and enjoy your Vietnam trip.